All right, we're going to be looking at doing the curve of interpenetration on these two views over here. I have got my circle that I drew. Getting the breakup of that circle, just get your 45-degree set square in place, and you can then break it up quite easily by just holding that down and moving that set square around like you would normally do it on your normal t-square. Right, once I've got that, the numbering of it, I start over here and I go number 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. going around like that. Transfer those numbers down onto this, so you've got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I then come over here, I draw another circle on the axis line that I need it, and I'm going to then place a number 1 there and a number 7 over here. I need to know where 4 and 10 are going to be. You'll see if I had an XY axis over here, number 4 is furthest away from the XY axis. So if I come to this view, number 4 must be furthest away from the XY axis. And therefore I've got a 4 there, which means my number is going to go number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, take those numbers out, place them over here, drop those things down there and link them up to get that nice ellipse. You can then take lines coming out and place those numbers along there, and that will help you to get the curve of interpenetration in on this thing. Right, we can see number 1 is going to link up over there, number 7 is going to link up over there. I then come across over here and I find number 6 and number 2. All right, there's number 2 linking up. So I've got 2 there, I've got 6 there. Coming across over here, I have got number 3, 3 and 5, and number 4 and number 10, 4 and 10. Right, let's have a look at this. That was 5 over there. That was number 3 over there. Okay, those numbers that I've just drawn in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they are right at the front. If I'm standing over here, I will be able to see those numbers, so I can draw in a nice curve over here, which is going to be done in dark lines. Right, coming around there, and there we go. I can draw that in nice and dark. There we go. Right, number 10. Number 10 is on the opposite side. That would be in hidden detail. Number 11, where is number 11? There is number 11 over there. Number 12 over there, going back to number 1. Number 10, going to number 9, going to number 8, going to number 7. All of those numbers that I've just mentioned, that would be done in hidden detail. We can't see that curve because this curve is directly over it. Right, after we've done that, we can then get on and do the right view that they've asked us. The right view for this thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip a line out from the base of my front view over there. I'm going to decide where the side of my right view needs to go. I'm going to draw a line going down there, and I'm going to take a 45-degree set square, and I'm going to draw a line coming down like that. Once I've got that in place, I can now draw a line coming out from the main pipe. There it is, and I can take that line going up over here, getting me my main pipe on my view. Right, let's just draw that in. There it is. And the top of it is over here. Right, that measurement should be exactly the same as that measurement if you measure it off. Right, once I've got that in place, I need to get all of these lines coming across here. Number 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2, 1 and 7, 12 and 8, 9 and 11, and 10 we've already got. Oh no, 10 I need to take out as well. Sorry, 10 as well. 10, take those up. There we go. There we go. Draw these as accurately as possible. My accuracy might be a little bit off because of using pencil crayons here, or not sharp pencil crayons at least. Right, I need to first of all start with the top of this thing. There's number 1 coming across over there, and I'm going to link that up with number 1 in the middle of this thing. There's number 1. Right, sorry, there's number 1. There's number 1. Number 2 and 12, let's find those two. There is number 2 coming across, 2 coming across. There will be number 2 over there. Number 12 will be, let's find number 12. There's number 12 coming across. There's number 12. Right, number 3, let's take that up here. Number 3, I need to take a line coming across here. Number 3 and 11. There is number 3 coming across there, coming up over here. There is number 3. And number 11 is going to be on the opposite side over here. Right, so I've got number 1, number 2, number 3. And on the other side, I've got number 12 over there and number 11. Let's find number 13 and 4. Number 13 and 4, let's just find that. Sorry, not number 13, number 10 and 4. Sorry, number 10 and 4. Sure. That's 10 and 4, there's number 4. There is number 10. Number 9 and 5. Moving back over here. Number 9, number 5. Number 6 and 8. There's number 6. There's number 8. And number 7 down at the bottom. There is number 7. Right, once I've got those in place, I'm just going to draw a little dotted line going down like that, linking up all of these points that I've just found. And I will then get my second ellipse story going over here. Around. Just looking for a curve. Going around over there. And there it is. Right, once I've got that in place, I can now draw in that ellipse. You'll see that I've drawn in a dark line where I didn't need it for the top of my main pipe. There we go. And I now need to draw in what I'm going to see over here. As far as the points at the bottom, I've got number 7. I will be able to see that. Number 6 and 8. Number 6 and number 8. Number 5 and number 9. Let's just have a look here. 6 and 8, 5 and 9. That was number 10. Sorry, that was number 9 over there. I've got that going up there. That going up over here. Number 10. Take that out. Go up to there. Going up to there. And then I'm going to end up with a line coming across from here. Number 3 and 11. Number 3 will be over there. Number 11, so that's number 3 there. Number 11 coming down over here and connecting there. Number 11. Number 2 and number 12. Number 2 and number 12. And number 1 is over there. There will be number 1. Now, if I look at this, I'm not going to be able to see those numbers that I've just got. They will disappear after you hit this point over here. There is number 4. There is number 10. Behind that is going to be hidden detail. So I have a curve which is going to come down over here, which I will be able to see. And then this part at the back is going to be done in hidden detail. I'm just going to put little dotted lines first, just to get that in place.
Interruption for first break notices. Please can 11H
And I can do that
11B
nice and dark with hidden detail going around like that.
Orientation. Tyler Marshall to see Mrs. Leet in the tutor office at break. And can the following two learners please call at the office? Shane Metzel and Nadira Andrews. Thank you.
All those two down there, and I can now rub out that little piece of line that I drew in at the beginning. It shouldn't be there, and I can finish that. Draw a line, and draw a line there as well. All right, completing this, I just need to finish off this view over here. As I said, I need that to be done in hidden detail over there. Okay, once I've done that, I now need to draw the development of the branch pipe. To do that, I need to multiply pi multiplied by d to get the 131.95. So pi multiplied by my 42 millimeter diameter. And I'm going to round that up to 132 millimeters. Just draw a line coming across here, this construction line. Have a nice little starting point over there. And what you're going to do is you're going to measure off 132 millimeters. Right, 132 millimeters coming in over there. Mark that off. I'm going to just draw a little line going over there so I don't lose it. I can now come over here and I'm going to break that line up into 12 equal parts. Just draw a line coming out over there. Take a pair of compasses. I like compasses. It makes a slightly darker mark. And you're going to break off, make 12 little marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once I've got that in place, take my two set squares next to each other, set them up so that I can slide them across and draw parallel lines. There's my first little parallel line coming over there. Draw these very, very accurately. Okay, once you've got those in place, just draw vertical lines over here. Coming up over here. Just going to draw them in purple from all of these intersections that I've got over here. Okay, they should be equally spaced. And I now need to label this. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1. And I get my true lengths for this branch pipe off here. There is the true length for 1. Mark that off. And on this side, it's going to be the same. True length for 2, that'll be over here. There we go. Take that off there. Mark that there, and it's going to be the same for 12 on that side. 3 is the true length for 3 and 11. Mark that there. Mark that there. 10 and 4. There is 4. There is 10. 9 and 5. There's 5 and 9. 6 and 8. There's 6 and 8. Okay, and number 7 over here. Number 7 over here. And I can now just do little dots going in between those just to get the idea of where that curve is going. There it is. Once I've got that in place, I can now draw a nice dark line going between those points over there. And I should have a beautiful curve drawn in that will get you all of your marks. There we go. There's that. And then also don't forget to draw in those two lines, this baseline over here, and then please label it branch pipe of the development of the branch pipe. Right, we're going to quickly look at getting the development of the main pipe over here. We've already done the development of the branch pipe. I'll just show you that. Okay, I want to do the development of the main pipe. To start out here, I need to get these heights over here. So you can see I've labeled this line over here, line A, and the bottom of it, there is line A. I'm going to measure up from line A, at the bottom of line A to 7. You'll see that I've marked off an A over there. I can mark A on that, number 7 over there, and number 7 over there. That's just, there's number 7. Let me measure up to 6 and 9. There we go, there's number 6. I'm going to mark this off, have number 6 over here, and number 9 on this side. Okay, carrying on up, I've got number 4 and number 10. There is number 4 and number 10 on this side. Okay, so I didn't do 5 and 9. There's 5 and 9 over there. Sorry, that was number 5 and 9, not number 6 and 9. 5 and 9. Okay, number 6 and 8, let's just get that. It's just very slightly higher than number 7. Number 6 and number 8. There we go, put those in. Just going to put it in on that side. Number 11 and number 3, it's up here. Number 11 and number 3, let's mark that on either side. 3, number 11, number 12 and 2, 2 will be over there, number 12 will be over there, that's number 2, number 12, and number 1 right up at the top. There's number 1 over there, and number 1 over there. I could have used my ruler to draw lines going across. Well, probably have a look at doing that now. Right, okay, let's have a look. Number 7, down at those, and number 1, they are on the line A, so I can start out and I can actually physically draw a line going up to that point and a line going up to that point. That is the welding line that I'm going to have. All right. Okay, then I'm going to come along here and I'm going to say, well, where is number 2 and number 12? I'm going to draw a line going across there. And I'm going to say, okay, where's my true length distance on this pipe? So from number 1 to number 12 over there, that's that distance. That's the true length distance. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to be able to come to number 12 and mark that off. That is the true length distance from the edge to where number 12 is. And number 2, I should be able to find that as well. There is the true length distance from number 1 to 2. Note, I'm taking these true length distances off this view over here. So I come over here, mark that off. There is number 2. So there's number 2, there's number 12. Right, what is the true length distance from number 12 to number 11? There's the true length distance, slightly shorter, from number 12 to number 11. How am I going to do that? I'm going to take a line coming across from 11 over there, and just take a line over there as well. I'm going to drop a line coming down from number 12 over here, and from number 2 over there. True length distance from number 12 to 11, we said is there. there's my distance from number 12 to where number 11 is. Mark that off. There is number 11. Same story is going to happen from number 2 to number 3 over here. Okay, so from number 2, there's number 2, true length distance to number 3 is going to be over there. There is number 3. True length distance from number 3 to number 4 is that distance. I need to draw a line coming out from number 4. I need to drop a line coming down from number 3. Okay, and I need to draw a true length distance from 3 to 4 over there. Drop a line down from 11, and obviously because it's symmetrical, the distance over there and the distance over there is going to be the same. So 11 to number 10 will be over there. There is number 10, there is number 4, and I now start moving back. Let's have a look at this true length distance from number 7 to number 6. Number 7 to number 6, there it is. You should find that it's the same as that distance from number 2. So I can drop a line down there, and I'll have number 6 over there. Drop a line down from number 12 over here, and number 8 will be over there. Right, number 5, let's have a look at that. Number 5 should link up with what's happening over here at number 3. So I'll have number 5 over there. Okay, and over here 11 and 9 should link up, so I'll be able to draw a line coming up there. There is number 9 over there. Number 8 we said was over there, and we have now got all of the points that we need, and I can now draw in a curve of interpenetration going out like that. Click, 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 going up there to there, coming out here, click, 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 click. Just making little dashes just to get the arc correct. Once they're in place, I can then come back and I can draw that in very, very accurately. Just with a nice freehand curve there. And the same story over here. Just a nice freehand curve going in over here, running around and drawing that in nicely there. Right, there we go. That is the development of the branch pipe. Note these distances over here, I got those distances up there. So all of these distances, they're being placed over there. The distances between these points over here, you're getting them off the top view. Right, that's the development of the main pipe.